Hi, I'm here today with Dr. Martin Milner. Thank you so much for being here with me today.
Thank you, Aaliyah.
It's a pleasure to have you. Could you start by telling us a little bit about your education and background in cardiology?
Sure. I teach naturopathic cardiology at NCNM, National College of Natural Medicine in Portland, Oregon. I've taught it there for 25 years. And we teach cardiovascular pulmonary medicine, and I guest lecture in endocrinology there as well. And our clinic is about 2 miles from the Naturopathic Medical School, and I've been in practice in that facility that we built in 1991. We're having our 20th anniversary there in a couple of weeks. And we've evolved that clinic into being a teaching clinic, where students, after they learn cardiology in the classroom with me, come and practice as interns, treating patients under my supervision and the supervision of one of our residents. So those interns gradually complete their term with us, become licensed physicians, then one of them becomes a resident who teaches the next group of interns.
About when you first started using L-arginin in your practice and what you saw with your patients.
Yeah, I started using L-arginin about 10, maybe 15 years ago. And in those days, our doses were much smaller, 1,500 milligrams to no more than 3,000 milligrams. And then the Nobel Prize was granted for the relationship between L-arginin and nitric oxide metabolism in the late 90s and into the early 2000s and mid-2000s. The dose protocols increased to 6,000 milligrams, rarely. And then there was kind of a hiatus in our clinical evolution with dosing of arginine. I would occasionally give doses up to 9,000 milligrams or 9 grams, and that was about as high as I ever went. Then I came upon the protocols and the exposure and the experience of Proargi and the Synergy company using serving sizes of 5 grams each with a background of additional citrulline, which would increase the availability of arginine beyond that 5 gram serving size, and then watching people take 2 servings, 3 servings, 4 servings, 5 servings, 6 servings. So at 4 servings, you're at 20,000 milligrams or 20 grams of arginine with additional citrulline. And those are delivery systems and experiences that I knew nothing about before getting involved with Synergy. So it's a whole new vista of opportunity and studying how arginine at high doses improves nitric oxide metabolism and how that affects high blood pressure, coronary artery disease, even cardiac arrhythmia by improving circulation and blood supply. Concepts of reversing plaque and arteriosclerotic disease, being able to document reversal of arteriosclerosis, and extraordinary possible vistas of research opportunity. So one of the challenges of taking high doses of arginine is being able to make it be palatable and be quality product and tested to be pure. And Synergy's product is rice-based, so the flavoring is totally different and much more palatable. It doesn't smell at all, and yet it's just as much arginine as the fish-based products, because you just can't find another delivery system that gives high amounts of arginine with citrulline in a quality control environment that has bioidentical definitive levels of L-arginin in the product. So we're excited about it. It's a great quality product. Synergy does extraordinary jobs at self-manufacturing and quality control. They test over 160 components to make sure there's no toxicity in their product line. So they basically use pharmaceutical grade and beyond quality control standards, which is really unheard of in the dietary industry, in the nutraceutical industry. It just doesn't happen. And it's equally rare to find a company that self-manufactures and has control over the product from beginning to end. which is an extraordinary accomplishment.